Hello students. So students, after the case study of the Ganga, now we will learn about what is potable water and how is water get purified. Okay? So let's begin. See, Bujo is very upset. Bujo is very upset. He tells Paheli that he drank water which looked clear and was without any smell, but still he fell sick. He told to Paheli that he drank water which looked very clear but without any smell, but then also he fell sick. How it is? So Paheli explains that water which looks clean may still have disease carrying microorganism and dissolved impurities. Paheli said to Bhujo that which water we drink, it has a small which carry microorganism and dissolved impurities in that. So it is essential to purify water before drinking, for example by boiling. So children, before drinking water, we have to purify the water, for example, by boiling. Okay. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. Now, what is potable water? So, the water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. You have seen how various physical and chemical processes in the sewage treatment plants help to clean water before discharging it into water bodies. Yes, you all have know that there are some various physical and chemical processes in the sewage treatment plants help to clean water before discharging it into water bodies. Similarly, municipal bodies treat the water before supplying it to household. Municipal bodies also check the water before supplying it to household. Okay. Now children, do you know this? 25% of the world's population is without safe drinking water. Or 25% of world population is drinking unsafe water, is drinking very dirty water. Now children, we will see that how water can be made safe for drinking. Now we will see that how water can be made safe for drinking. Now let's see. You have already seen how water is filtered. You all know that how water is filtered. This is a physical method of removing impurities. A popular household filter is a candle type filter. I hope that you all have seen the filter. Yes. Now many households use boiling as a method for obtaining safe drinking, and many households use boiling as a method for obtaining safe drinking. Now children, water boiling is the germs present in the water. Now last one is chlorination is a commonly used chemical method for purifying water. One method is also there, that is chlorination. So chlorination is a commonly used chemical method for purifying water. It is done by adding chlorine tablet or bleaching powder into the water. In water, some people add chlorine tablets or bleaching powder. We must be cautious. We should not use more chlorine tablets than specified. But we must not use more chlorine tablet than specified. Okay. So this is your topic about potable water and how we purify our water. So I hope now you got it properly. Now we will learn about what can be done. Okay, what can be done to reduce, reuse and recycle the water.